I don't just love, but love come to me. I don't give love, but God come to me. I don't trust no one, but everybody here. So I just blow on my risky stuff by my street style hard, freestyle hard, freestyle hard. And that's a risky stuff by my freestyle hard, freestyle hard, freestyle hard. That's it, my risky stuff by my freestyle hard, freestyle hard, freestyle hard. That's it, my risky stuff by my freestyle hard, freestyle hard, freestyle hard. Looking at the clock, waiting for the tick tock. People pickpocket, I have to make mock. I've been knocking in this place, they keep on pickpocketing the pieces of my heart. But I don't know what to do anymore. Cause I know I'm a one in a million, oh yes. I've been cherishing myself like a metal. I put the trophy up inside the petal. I looked at the kettle looking like metal looking like the tittle looking like tittle. So I hook in my house, but it sound like I have a metal detector. And every time I feel alone, I just have to go. So I just come back to my reality, snap back to reality and give a chance to me. My freestyle is tough and cold, so I don't snuff cold, but I know. The silence is getting louder. People talking like they talking like a mama. I'm mowing the world like a tower, and I do the mama and the mama. Let me mumble a little, let me get my words together.